Sense organs. As you know, our body has many parts, but we have only 5 sense organs. Listen, I am reading and you will say after me. Our sense organs help us to know about the world around us. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Children, without sense organ, we can't live, we can't listen, we can't see, we can't smell, we can't feel and we can't taste. As you know, we have 5 sense organs. Their names are eyes, number 1 eyes, number 2 ears, number 3 nose, number 4 tongue and fifth one is skin. Now you know eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue helps us to taste and skin help us to feel. So by 5 sense organ we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can feel and we can take taste. Now we will know about them. Listen, I am going to read from here, see carefully. Our eyes help us to see different things, colors, shapes, sizes, etc. Children, as you know, without eyes we can't see anything. What is the color of flowers? What is the color of leaf? What is the color of sky? What is the color of face? These things you can see with the help of eyes. So you know eyes are very useful for everybody. And this one is a number 1 sense organ of your body. Now number 2 is ears. Listen, our ears help us to hear different sounds. You are knowing ears are also very important sense organ for us. With the help of ears we can listen different type of voice, different types of songs. So it is also very important, or you can say useful organ of our body that help us to hear. Next one, our nose helps us to smell different things like food, flowers, etc. Children, as you know, if you are taking a flower and you want to know what is the smell of this, it is good or bad, you can know with the help of nose. So nose helps you to smell different types of things, different types of flowers, different types of food. Now next one is tongue. It is also your sense organ. It is also very important. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of food we eat like sweets, chocolates, fruits, etc. Children, suppose that you are eating chocolate, sweets, fruits, lot of eatable things. If you are eating, how can you know its taste? It is sweet, it is sour. You can't say without tongue. So your tongue helps you to know the taste of or eatables, just like sweets, chocolates, fruits and other eatables. Next one, our skin. Our skin is also sense organ. It is last sense organ. Our skin helps us to feel different things. It helps us to feel hot and cold. Children, as you know, skin helps us to feel. Suppose that you are taking any towel and you want to know it is hot or cold. If you will touch that, after touching it you will feel, if it is hot you will feel hot, if it is cold you will feel cold. So then you are feeling this with the help of skin. Suppose that ice cream is cold, how can you say it is cold? When you will touch, your skin will feel and then you can say this is cold. Suppose that you are taking hot milk and you are touching the glass of milk. When you will touch, then you will feel. In this picture you can see also, you can say it is hot. So our skin helps us to feel hot or cold. Anything is hot or cold, you can know with the help of skin. So you are seeing your 5 sense organs. These are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And in this page you can know the function of different sense organs. You will read carefully. You will learn all names of sense organs. Here are 5 sense organs. You will learn them carefully. See here. Listen carefully. Unscramble the names of internal organs. In this question, scramble names are given. Now we will unscramble these internal organs. Number 1. It is the control center of the body. What is here? Written here RIBAN. We will write this in proper order. Here will be BRAIN, brain. Which body part controls our body? This is brain. Number 2. They help us to breathe. Now listen here. UNLSG. This is a scramble letters. We will write in proper way. See. LUNGS. Lungs. It is lungs. That is also internal organs. Read question this. They help us to breathe. Which one? This is lungs. It is our internal organ. Number 3. It pumps blood to all parts of body. Scramble letters are AEHTR. Now we will write this one in proper order. It is HEART. Heart is also internal organ. It pumps blood to all parts of body. This is heart. HEART, heart. Number 4. It helps us to digest our food. Scramble letters are HCASOMT. We will write this one also in proper order. That is STOMACH. Children, see, it helps us to digest our food. This is stomach. All are our internal organs. And listen again. Question is, it is the control center of the body. Which one is? This is brain. Number 2. They help us to breathe. This one, lungs. Number 3. It pumps blood to all parts of body. That is heart. Number 4. It helps us to digest our food. This one is stomach. So in this way you will write in your book. You will write, then you will be very careful for spellings. See this carefully and write in your book. Now turn the page. Page number 8. See here. There are some people whose one or more body parts do not function properly. Such people are called specially abled. Choose and tick. Children, see, this boy is on wheelchair. Others are laughing, but it is very bad. We should help especially abled people. See this picture. So we will tick on this picture because in this picture this girl is helping of especially abled girl. So we will tick on here. It is correct. So we will tick on here. And this is not correct. We will cross here. Now come on here. Vocabulary cards. Organ. A part of the body that performs a specific function. That is called organ. External organs. parts of the body which we can see that are called external body parts. For example, eyes, ear, nose, etc. Internal organs, parts of the body present inside our body that are heart, lungs, etc.